Hello and welcome back to your English Fluency Teacher. I'm Annie. And today we have more conversations to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started. Small talk at the gym.
Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Jason.
Oh, hi. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Jason.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here?
No, I come here a few times a week. How about you?
Same here. I try to come regularly to stay fit. Do you have a favorite workout?
I like using this treadmill and that elliptical. It's a good workout. What about you?
I usually mix it up between the elliptical and some weightlifting. Keeps things interesting.
That sounds great. I've been thinking of adding some weights to my routine. Any tips?
Sure, start with lighter weights and focus on your form. It's important to avoid injuries.
Thanks for the advice, Jason. Do you come to the gym at this time often?
Yeah, I find the evenings work best for me. How about you?
Mornings are more my thing. Helps me kickstart the day with some energy.
That's a good way to start the day for sure. By the way, have you tried any of the fitness classes here?
Not yet. I've been thinking about it, though. Are they fun?
Yeah, sometimes. I tried a few, and it's a nice change from the regular routine.
I'll consider giving it a try then. Anyway, it was nice chatting with you, Jason.
You too. If you ever want a workout buddy, feel free to join me.
Thanks. I will.
Making plans.
Hello?
Hey, Mike. What's going on?
Not much, just chilling. Thinking about the weekend. Any plans?
Yeah, I was just about to hit you up about that. We should get the guys together. Where should we hang out this weekend?
Solid idea. How about checking out that new place on 2nd Avenue? I heard they've got live music on weekends, and it's a great spot to hang with the crew.
Sounds like a plan. What kind of music do they play?
A mix of everything, rock, pop, and some indie stuff. It's a cool vibe.
Nice. What time are we thinking?
Let's aim for 8 p.m. Gives everyone enough time to get there and grab a good spot.
Perfect. Before that, what about some pre-game? We can meet up at my place around 6 p.m.?
Good call. I'll bring some snacks. And we can decide if we want to hit up any other spots.
Sounds like a plan. By the way, how's Jake doing? Haven't seen him in a while.
Jake's good. I'll shoot him a text and make sure he's in for the weekend.
Awesome. See you on Saturday.
Planning for the day.
Good morning, love. Have you checked the weather today?
No, I haven't. Let me take a look. It looks quite rainy.
Yeah, the forecast says it's going to rain for most of the day. I was thinking of going for a bike ride, but I might need to reconsider.
A bike ride sounds fun, but we could end up getting caught in the rain. Maybe we should come up with an indoor plan.
Good point. What do you feel like doing instead?
Well, we could visit that new coffee shop downtown. I heard they have cozy seating and great hot chocolate.
That sounds like a perfect backup plan. Let's keep an eye on the weather throughout the day and decide later.
Agreed. Fingers crossed it clears up, but if not, we'll still make it a good day indoors.
Absolutely. Rain or shine, we'll find something enjoyable to do.
If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you. And now back to the video. Planning a vacation.
I was thinking it would be awesome to plan a vacation together. How about a trip to the beach?
Oh, that sounds like a fantastic idea. I miss the sun and the sea. When should we go?
Maybe June? The weather at the beach is great during that time.
Great suggestion, Lisa. And it gives us some time to prepare. What do we need to do?
Well, first, we need to decide on the dates. How about the second weekend of June?
Sounds good to me.
What about accommodations? Are we staying in a hotel or maybe renting a beach house?
I like the idea of a beach house. It feels more cozy and fun. What do you guys think?
Yeah, a beach house sounds awesome. Now, what about transportation?
I think we can carpool. It will be more fun and cost-effective. Who's up for driving?
I can drive. I have a spacious car that can fit us all comfortably.
Perfect. Now, what about activities at the beach? Any suggestions?
How about beach volleyball and a bonfire at night? And of course, we can't forget about building sandcastles.
Love those ideas! Let's make a list of things to bring. Sunscreen, snacks, and maybe some board games for the evenings.
Good plan. And we should also check the weather forecast closer to the date.
Agreed. I'm getting excited already. This beach vacation is going to be so much fun.
I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Ask me your English questions, share your own conversation experiences, or just say hi. I love hearing from you guys. Remember, learning English is a journey, and I'm here to be your guide along the way. So, let's keep exploring together. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you next time.